Okay, so today we study about the velocity selector arrangement. Now we know that when a particle is moving in the presence of both electric and magnetic fields, then the force acting on it is the sum of both forces due to both the fields. So, and the expression is this. So we have studied the Lorentz force equation also. So the expression is like this. Now, suppose we consider a condition where vector E, vector B and vector V are perpendicular to each other. Suppose in such a way that direction of V is along I cap, that is x axis, vector E is along j cap, that is along y axis, and vector B is along k cap, that is along z axis. Now, using these specifications, we find the electric field, force due to electric field. It is given by Q into E, we already know that. So, vector QE, and obviously its direction will be along j cap, which is same as the direction of electric field. Similarly, we find the force due to magnetic field. It is given by Q into V cross B. Now we consider cross product. We have to consider directions also. So we take I cross K, and we know that from the knowledge in class 11, we know that I cross K is minus j cap. So overall we get the force due to magnetic field is QVB minus j cap. So a negative sign. And this negative sign shows that the direction of force due to magnetic field is opposite to the direction of vector A, because direction of vector is along plus j cap and that of force due to magnetic field is along minus j cap. So that means the direction of force due to electric field FE and direction of FB, force due to magnetic field, are opposite to each other. So this is what. Now we can find the net force, that is the sum of two forces, vector sum of two forces. So using 1 and 2, we just add 1 and 2, we get the total force acting on the charge particle with charge Q when it is in the moving in the presence of electric field E and magnetic field B. So we add 1 and 2 along with the sign. So we have negative sign also, and this way we put the value. Now since we have seen that vector FE and vector FB, force FE and FB are equal, are opposite in direction to each other, and if they are equal in magnitude, then the net force on the particle will be 0, because they are equal and opposite, then the net force is 0. So in this condition, when both are equal to each other, the net force on the charged particle becomes 0. If I put F equal to 0, that means Q into E minus VB will be 0. And on solving it further, we get V is equal to E by B. Now this is the velocity of particle at which it will not get deflected, it will not be affected by the effect of electric or magnetic field. So if a charged particle is moving in an electric and magnetic fields E and B with velocity equal to E by B, then it will not suffer any deflection, because net force acting on it will be 0. So if the velocity of particle is according to equation 4, then net force acting on it will be 0 even when there are electric and magnetic fields present, and it will keep on moving along its initial path without any deflection. This condition is known as the velocity selector condition.